Hi Dress-O Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to be drawing a sweet unicorn to celebrate Valentine's. So let's get started. To draw the sweet unicorn, let's first start by drawing its face. So I'm going to come right, say about right here, and just draw kind of like a bottom of a U, but the top right here is going to be slanted in a little bit more. So let's say about right here. And I'm going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a curve. So it's just like drawing a U, but like I said, the top right here is a little bit slanted in. And go ahead and connect at the bottom. There. So that's the basic shape that you want to start off with. Then from there, I'm going to come back into this area and say about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw the snout area. So I'm just going to come in here with a curve and connect. There. Thicken everything up so you can see a little bit better. Okay, so then from there, let's come back to this area right above the snout, and I'm going to come right here and draw the eyes. So just kind of draw a curve that comes out with a curve. So a big curve and then a small curve. And then right here you can add another lash if you like. And it's just the same thing right on the other side. So a big curve and then a small curve. Just go in here and thicken this up. And I notice this side is way smaller, so I'll just go ahead and make this bigger. And do the same thing. There. And then let's come back in here. We're going to come in this area and draw two small circles for the nostrils. Go right there. Okay, so then from there we're going to decorate our unicorn with some hearts at the top. So I'm going to come right above in this area, nice and straight. So in the center, say about right here. I'll just give myself 2 points, and that's where I'm going to draw my heart. My center heart that is nice and big in the center. Right there. And then I'm going to come to the sides and draw 2 more. And this one's going to be kind of at a slant. So I'll just give myself 2 points. And draw my other hearts. By giving myself the points, it just makes it easier for me to figure where the center is. And it's just a lot easier to draw my hearts. So hopefully that tip helps you. So you go right back and right back on the other side. There. So you have 3 hearts on top, and whatever space you have left, just go ahead and finish off this face for the unicorn. So you just want to make sure these hearts right here kind of come out a little bit. Then from there, I'm going to come to my center once again, go straight up, say about right here, and I'm going to start to draw the horn. So round off the tip a little bit. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Give it a little bit more slant. There. And then I'll come in here with some details, some curves for the horn. And then let's not forget the ears. So I'll pop them up right here. Just some simple ears, 2 curves. Then bring it in. And then the inside. And same thing over here. And the inside. Now that we're done with the head, let's come right here and we're going to draw, start to draw the body. So come right here nice and thick. I'm going to draw an angle line that comes out on both sides. And before I finish that line, I'm going to come right underneath the snout and draw the front legs. So right underneath the snout, say about right here, I'll draw a curve and I'll slant this leg. So come right here. And I'm just going to angle out this curve. And then about right there, I'll go ahead and connect it. And then add another curve right here for the hoof. So it's the same thing on the other side. So right here underneath, just like the other side. And then angle out. And connect. Same level and one more curve. There. And then in between, we're going to draw a straight line. So say about right here, like where it would bend. So I'll go about right here. We'll draw a straight line across. And so this now will determine my envelope. So I'll just say about right here. Try my best to draw this straight line. And then whatever space I have left, I'll finish off my body right here. So I'll go right across. And I have to look at my camera, make sure I'm not going too off. About right. Ah, I'm slanting down. Okay, back up. There. Okay, and then whatever space I have left. It's so hard when you can't put your head over the drawing, right? Okay, so hope you get my idea. You just want to draw a straight line across. Then from there, let's see. We're going to bring this out. I'm just going to continue my envelope. I'm just going to bring this out a little bit with a curve. And same thing here. So I'm just going to drag this point across. Oops, say about this much. And I'll just go ahead and draw a curve to there as well. Okay, so then from there I can go ahead and finish this envelope here. I'll just go draw a straight line down. Hopefully it's straight, kind of. And same thing here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so then about the same level, and then I'll go ahead and connect it at the bottom. Ta-da! There. Okay, so there I have my basic envelope in. Then from there, let's come to here, and we're going to angle it back to here. I'm going to draw another line. This one's much easier because we have something to guide us. And same thing. So from here to here, we're going to draw another line. And connect. Yay! So now our unicorn is in an envelope, right? And then let's connect right here to here as well. Oops. And same thing here. There. Okay, so now that all makes sense, now we can come back in here and draw some details. So let's not forget we have to draw the mane. So I'm going to come right here and just pop in maybe 3 of them, 3 strands. So we can add some color to our unicorn. And then I thought it'd be pretty cool inside if we just add a bunch of hearts inside. So it's all up to you. One of you want to tuck in here, but I'm gonna go ahead and just go ahead and randomly draw some hearts. So I really hope this drawing inspires you. I know you cuties love unicorns, so I wanted to come up with something that you would be able to draw with a unicorn for Valentine's. So I really hope you love this. And it's the same thing here. Tuck one here, a bigger one here maybe. And one more right here. There. Something like that. And you know what, I'm looking at this horn, it's way too thin. I'm gonna make it a little wider. See, I do have lots of boo-boos when I draw. It's never perfect like you think it is. Okay, I'm just gonna make this heart bigger so I can fill in the space a little bit more. And let's see here, what else can we add? Okay, so then from there, we're going to put a message on this envelope right here. We're going to put, I love you. So right in the center, once again, I'll come say about, where's my center? About right here. And here, I'll come down and I'll draw a heart, big heart. So hopefully this gives you a lot of practice on drawing hearts. Oops. I need more practice. So now that we have the heart in, let's come right here and we're going to put I, the letter I, and U right across. So say about right here. And we'll just thicken everything up. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this unicorn turned out and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.